Hi, welcome to my channel. Let it simmer. Today, let us make a low-carb lasagna. To make this lasagna, we need three elements. One is, of course, the cheese sauce, mince, any meat will do. I have pork mince here. And for lasagna sheets or pasta sheets, I am using aubergine. What I'm going to do is, first, I'm going to cut aubergine into thick slices. Not very thin, about a little more than, it's about 1/4 of an inch. Check inside that it's clean. These are just seeds. Yeah, like so. And what I'm going to do next is get a tray on which I'm going to bake them. Place them on the tray. Here I have olive oil, about a tablespoon of it. To that I'm adding pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, mixing it up and brushing this on the slices, aubergine slices or eggplant slices. And then we'll bake this under the grill for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's okay to overcook it a little or undercook, because we will be cooking it again when we set it with lasagna. There. This is done. This goes in the oven under the grill for about 10 to 12 minutes. Your aubergines will look like this. I turned it after 5 minutes. I flipped them over. Next we have the sauce. The video for this sauce I've already shared, and I'll share the link again. Now we will prepare the mince. For this I need to heat up a pan. For the mince I have some vegetable oil heating here. To that I'm going to add finely chopped very small onion and just cook it till it's a little transparent. To take the rawness out of the onion. I'm adding a pinch of salt to the onion to make them cook faster. The onions are ready when they change the color and they're soft. So now we'll add the pork mince. Cook it on high heat till it changes color again. The mince is cooked. Now I will add about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree. This is 1/2 kg mince. And salt. Garlic powder. I like generous garlic powder. Then I am adding chili flakes to taste. Bit of soy sauce. I have a thick soy sauce here. And here I have Napa Valley mix. It's a premix herb mix. I'm adding that. You can add any other herb mix. You can add the Italian herb mix or the garlic spice bread spice mix. That is up to you, your taste. Now we'll mix this all together and our mince will also be ready. At this stage, just to make it a little juicy, I add a handful of cheese, any cheese that I have, mostly cheddar. Right now cheddar and mozzarella. Just roughly mix it turn off the heat, and we have all our elements ready. Our elements for the lasagna are ready: the cheese sauce, mince, eggplant, and we have cheese to go on top of everything. Okay, we start with layering our lasagna dish with eggplant, like so. We'll cover it with half the mince. Then we'll add our cheese, again half of it. There, pressing it down. Then again we'll layer it with eggplant slices. I'll just stir this one up a little. It's become so soft to fill in the gaps. There. Now the rest of the mince. And cover it with eggplant slices again. I have some extra, so I'm covering it with all of them. Now is the best part. Covering it all with cheese, as much as you like, whichever cheese you like, though Parmesan and cheddar taste the best. I think I can go for more cheese. I have here Now we'll bake this in the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes, or till the cheese is quite golden. There. Okay, at this stage, before putting it in the oven, what I like to do is a little extra for an extra flavor. I take pepper and just spread on top. And as this pepper cooks, it gives out a beautiful aroma. There, it's ready to go in the oven. Our lasagna is ready. Enjoy the lasagna with a fresh salad. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.